C64 boot testing. See what happens when I power it up again. Nothing. Random characters, yay! Nothing. Oh, is that characters? Nothing that time. Oh, different colors. It's like, it's almost there. Oh, black background. Nothing. Back to that. Oh, that was different. It was pretty. Yay! Commodore C64C. Oh, you can't even see that. So getting some output, I'm hoping that's going to help with diagnostics. And it looks like, oh, you can't see, it's no point showing you. Most of the chips are socketed, so could be a real piece of piss. Just gotta find a few keys, although I think I actually have those in my boot flopping around somewhere.